In today's video lecture, we will understand the chapter. It's a wonderful story of childhood days, the fight. And the chapter has been taken from the second book, It So Happened. So, the story is composed by Ruskin Bond, and he's a famous Indian writer for children. He loved to write for children and in English. He was born in Kasoli. Kasoli is a beautiful hill station or a place in Himachal Pradesh. And he won Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992, Padma Shri in 1999, and Padma Bhushan as well as. He is known for his picturesque description of children's story. So he is a story for us to enjoy and to learn about fight. We'll think over it. If fight is the best way to resolve the issues, we'll work on it. Let's start. So, in the story, Ranji discovers a pool, and the pool is in the forest, and he generally plunges into it for a swim. There is a serious trouble between him and someone else. Who is that someone else? We'll find it. Who has a who proclaims also a right to the pool. And then after this proclamation, a fight is ensured. So the first round ends in a draw. So who is that fellow who fought with Ranji? Let's find out. So Ranji had been in Rajpur when he discovered a pool in the forest. It was a hot day. He plunged into it for a swim. He had no friends, so he wandered about a good deal alone. A small stream flowed out from rocks to feed the pool. Ranji's limbs were supple and free of fat. Means he was very versatile. He was very agile in this way, a kind of rushing or swimming in all these ways. So, as he loved to go there and it give his body a relax and repose. So the next day he came again to the forest pool. While he lay there, he noticed another boy looking at him in a hostile manner. You can see this here. This is the scene. The other boy was Suraj. This person has been discovered now. The boy name was Suraj, and he was older, taller, and even stronger than Ranji. He said that it was his pool, and he always swam alone. He called himself a warrior, and you can understand what will happen if someone calls himself warrior and the other person is also filled with self-respect and self-pride. So Ranji was unafraid. He said that he was not a villager but a fighter. So he refused to run away from that place and he also claimed for the place to be his pool. So he threw a challenge to his adversary and the warrior slapped Ranji with force. Ranji also hit back with his bony fist. Bony means that is very slim but and that form. So that is the fist into the other's face. And who is that others? You know that is Suraj. You can see the dialogue. He said, I'm not a villager, but I am a fighter. And he asked him to rush away, otherwise he will itself understand that who actually is a warrior. So this is a dialogue between them. Then the two started grappling. It was a kind of violent struggle. The fight continued even in the water. Neither emerged victorious. Means that very first day it was put at a draw only because neither was emerged as a victorious. Both were equal to each other while thrashing. So the warrior or both the warrior deferred the fight for the next day. Means this was put on the next day then, and Ranji promised to come prepared for the fight. He had got cuts on his face although, and legs and arms too. Means he got cuts and scars on his face, legs, arms. Still, he did not get horrified, but he promised him that he would come the very next day and for claiming the pool that he discovered that pool and he is the owner of the pool and he will only take bath in there. So that very next day, in this second part we'll understand, the very next day the two claimants face each other across the pool again, and they throw challenges, counter challenges at each other, and in their childish knowledge, in their childish wit, they find it the best solution. And what is that best solution? That is fight. They realize that fighting with each other is the only best solution for claiming or putting their claim, declaring their claim for the pond, for the pool. So now you see very funny thing as what all remedies the boy did to make himself firm and superior than Suraj. So what did he do? So that very evening, he went to the bazaar, ate jalebis, and drank lemonade. He saw his adversary coming, adversary means the opponent, coming down the road. Both looked each other angrily, and he was feeling weak and lazy after the previous day's fight. Fine. So, but he could not back out of the challenge because he, as I mentioned earlier, he was again filled with self challenge, self pride. So he knew he was so no match to him, but still he refused to accept the defeat. This is what on his part. So he thought that as long as he fight or he fought, he had the right to the pool in the forest. So for claiming his right, he accepted it to fight with that fellow who was elder, older, taller than him. So to make himself, being superior to him or proving himself superior to him, he just ate the jalebis and lemonade kind of stuff. So the very next day, the two stood on either bank of the stream, means both different banks of the stream, that water stream, and Ranji challenged him to swim and come to his side. And he was superior to Suraj in swimming. He gave the another kind of challenge to him. He could dive easily. Ranji could swim underwater, so he guided Suraj how to dive and swim underwater. Thus, he fought his opponent Ranji, acknowledged that Suraj was a wrestler. Suraj promised to make Boni Ranji a Pahalwan. The two became friends now, and this is a very good thing. In that moment was born love and understanding between both of them, and they owned the pool jointly together. So this is a very wonderful end of the story, that they both realize each other's efficiency. One side is Suraj, he is really a wrestler comparison to him, and one side is Ranji, he knows how to swim even under the water better than Suraj. So they both promise to teach each other their skills. One could teach other swimming and other can teach him wrestling. So this way they resolved this way and they became friend, and now they both own the pool. They both share equally the right on the pool, and they come together to play and to enjoy swimming over there, as it is the best way that they could do earlier. Like you see, Ranji was physically no match for Suraj, and it was because a tall wrestler. So yet they fought over the right to use the pool. Ranji suffered cuts and bruises all over his body, but he refused to surrender or accept defeat. So in the first round, the fight ended in a kind of a draw, and next day they again faced each other across the pool for a second round of the fight. But Ranji this time proved himself a smart fellow by giving him different challenge, and he proved himself a better swimmer than his adversary, than his opponent. So they fought together to learn something worthwhile. That was something worthwhile. I highlight. So they suspended the fight now, and after a while, and then they became good friends. Hence, neither was the winner, and they both were winner in that sense that they both could learn something new from the other fellow, and top of all, they became friends and shared the equal right over the pool. So this is a very point that we all must learn from this story. So the very prominent questions comes to the mind is that is given in the exercise also. Dear children, we all can discuss and give our opinions on it. That fighting is the only way of solving the differences of opinions. Is it so? Or what else we can do? So the answer could be definitely the very perfect example in the story as it was given, that fighting is not the only way to resolve a dispute. The best course is to start a dialogue with a cool head, as they did it, but unfortunately they did it after loss. So, in case they fail to agree on any point, they can appoint an arbiter or middleman acceptable to both. So, that can be done. But fortunately, in the story had a very good ending, as this time the second fellow, we call it Ranji, he proved his excellence as a swimmer. So Suraj got influenced by his this art and the art of swimming, and he also showed his good nature or his benevolence, as he wanted to be a good swimmer. So he was also agreed to get training from Ranji, and in return he said that he would make him a wrestler. So this way they turned into good friends, and as it is well said that good friends are like stars. We don't always see them, but yes, we can understand that they are there, and it has some value. So I hope we all will understand, learn, imbibe one value from the story, that fight or war is actually no solution for any problem, because both the parties suffer equally and feel sorry later on. Fine. So the best way to resolve the quarrels or differences of opinion is a dialogue with a cool mind. War is war cannot be glorified in any way, and it is unnecessary and futile. So this very lesson we learn and will follow in our life. With this positive note, I will conclude here the chapter. Thank you for watching.